What's good, y'all? It's your boy Barry, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I will be showing you how to fix your blinker light on your 2018 Ford Fiesta SE. If you don't have this car, I don't know what to tell you, but this is for the people with the 2018 Ford Fiesta SE. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open your trunk, and you're gonna see, I don't know what you would call this. I don't know, it's not carpet, but this part. Yours will probably be tucked in. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to remove, there's a clip right here. You'd want to remove it. You don't have to. I didn't remove mine, but this clip is what's holding this piece together. But I don't remove mine. You could remove yours. So you're going to open. You're going to see this screw right here. And you're also going to see a wire back here where you would press inward and then pull out. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull that wire out. You're not gonna be able to see, but you pull. Once you touch it, you'll know what to do. You push that wire button in, and you pull out, and it's gonna look like this. So come closer. So this right here, and then you pull that out, and this screw right here, you're gonna go ahead and it's like lefty loosey, righty tighty. You already know how that goes. Lefty loosey. You're gonna unscrew it to the left here. Doesn't require a screwdriver, just your index finger and your thumb. Unscrew that real quick, right? All right, so we got that piece out. It looks like this. All right, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Do not lose this piece. It is important. I'm gonna place it right here so I don't lose it. And then you're good. You're gonna come here. You're gonna pull this. It comes off real easy, real simple. If you have never done this before, it'll probably be a little harder, but you're gonna pull. Make sure you don't break anything. It comes off just like that. See that? Boom. So now the piece that you are looking to remove is that blinker light. For this piece right here, you're going to lefty loosey, same thing. Left, turn it to the left. It's gonna turn, and you pull it out. Bam, just like that. Real easy and simple. And then I'm gonna place this down. So this light bulb it's literally push in and pull out. So you're gonna pull it out. Make sure you are careful. You are holding it. Don't press it too hard so it doesn't break in your hand, I guess. But you're gonna pull this out, wiggle it out. That's the easiest way that I have found to remove that. You wiggle, it comes out just like that, and then you would get your new light bulb wherever you buy it at, whatever. You would get that, and same thing. You would push it back in. Right? It doesn't matter the way, left or right. You just push it in. So line it up, and then you push it in. You hear it click, and you will know that it is in correctly. Now we're just doing all the steps in reverse. We're gonna place that back in. Make sure you line it up, of course. Make sure it's lined up and goes in like that, and then turn it to the right to lock it into place, just like that. So it's not coming back out. And now you're going to get this piece, and you're going to come on this side right here. Notice how there's a hole right here, and then there's this here. That's going to make it easier for you to line it up, so that way you're able to place it in. So line up that hole by looking up top, push that in, boom, boom. So it goes right into place. It'll be a little loose, only because it's not connected and screwed in, but we're gonna fix that issue now. So you are good to go there. So same thing, we're gonna get that wire that we previously removed. My glasses keep slipping. I don't need them for this. And we are going to place that right back into that hole, if I can find it. There we go, just like that. Oh, hold on. So we'll place that back in, and you will hear a click. It will click and look just like that. And now you will get that piece that I told you not to lose, that screw piece. And it's always going to be this way in. This is not the right way. Make sure that the screw where you use your index and your thumb is outside. We would place that on here on this screw, right? Make sure that it is aligned perfectly, and you're gonna righty tighty right? So righty-tighty, and you'll notice as you continuously righty-tighty it, your light is gonna get even tighter, and it's not gonna be loose anymore. And so that's what's pulling it to the car. So once that's tight, don't over tighten it, but make sure that it is snug and it won't come undone. But don't go and try and break that screw. So there you go. So you will now have replaced your blinker light, and you'll be good to go. If you did enjoy this video, which it was pretty quick and informative, make sure you like this video, comment, let me know what you think. If you need assistance with anything else, I'm no mechanic, but if I do see something that I do typically fix or find easy to fix, I'll help you guys with that. But without further ado, subscribe. It's been your boy Barry. Have a good day, good night, wherever you are.